Thank you.
Yes, sir. Take care. Be safe.
Oh yeah, thank you. Alrighty. She's unlocked. She is finally unlocked. Came last week. The system was down. Not the type to yell at somebody for a computer crashing. Probably gonna piss myself today. There we go. YouTube accidental daily 100 on the fully unlocked BMW 2020 S1000RR carbon package. Oh my goodness, my heart is so full and happy right now. We got the carbon tank pad, got the carbon gas cap, windscreen on the way, exhaust on the way. I'm in love with this bike. I'm trying not to piss myself. I'm trying not to get a speeding ticket, but at this point, this is why we got this bike. Saw some state troopers camping on my way up. Just leaving Charlotte, headed back to Columbia. The bike finally got unlocked. I tried to go last week. I knocked out these miles. We're at 742. I passed my 600. I took it to the dealership. They changed all the fluids, checked the bike. Everything was fine, but their computer, their BMW software was completely down. It was down for like 5 days. The bike couldn't get unlocked. So instead of pulling a Karen and being super upset, I just went home and knew I was coming back. It wasn't meant to be that day. Mid-gear roll. I haven't touched any of these settings yet, so we need to touch the wheelie, we need to touch the torque. This thing is probably not even full monster mode. And this is before Brent tuning. I have to get the Brent tune before the exhaust. That should be in a couple weeks. I actually have to go back up to Charlotte to get the exhaust put on and get them flashed. I do not want to do that myself on this bike. Oh my god, dude, I cannot help but being on the throttle. I need to hide. I need to hide. The quick shifter with the flowability at my wrist is just not there. Oh my god, dude, what in the world? Oh my god, this thing should not be street legal, and this thing's not even tuned yet. This bike should not be street legal. I can honestly say that. This bike with a quick shifter should not be in my possession. But we are going to enjoy it as long as it is. My tires were melted down the middle coming up to Charlotte when it was locked. Now that it's unlocked, I'm fully ready. And I get people non-stop looking at me on this bike, trying to race, and this thing was locked, so it stopped at like 125 miles an hour at 9,000 RPM. The fact that we have all the power before the tune just means whoever wants these hands, they are more than welcome to get these hands. She got that flat spot. We know there's a flat spot. She's getting tuned soon. But my mindset is I need to understand this piece before she gets that tune, before I deserve that tune. I'm not trying to get this brand new bike Brent tuned and go loopy lollipop on it. I'm no track star. I do not need a drag strip bike. I don't even know what I want. I just want an exhaust that spits flames. So make some extra pops and bangs in there and I'm golden. But the exhaust is at the dealership, so I gotta call them soon. Huge shout out to Motorcycles of Charlotte, giving it to me straight, telling me the systems are down. They are not at fault. Life happens. Don't be a Karen. I don't even have words for this right now. This is probably the worst, one of the worst videos I've ever produced, but it's okay. I am so happy right now. I do not have words for this thing. This thing looks phenomenal. It looks like my dream bike. It doesn't sound like my dream bike, but it will. The fact that you can just eat in traffic like this, anything that your mind you think you can do, this bike will literally let you do it. It doesn't make sense. It really doesn't. I don't even know when we passed this cop at, man. I cannot even tell you. I don't even look at this speedometer. I just hold on for my life and look through this little screen. I want to say thank you so much for even clicking on this video. Like it if you're feeling generous. Subscribe to me if you ever want to see another video on this bike. Subscribe. If you're seeing this video right now, I made it home safe on my first ride of this bike being unlocked. This is before the tune. The exhaust is coming soon. The gunner is videos that will be next. Believe me. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Kill Cam out.